Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to censor things in Camstasia. Well, that's not going to feel like. So you get your audio.
Oh, what do we got here?
So just get a censor beep sound. Then you go to audio effects, audio compression. Just turn this all the way up.
Well, what do we got here? Should just kill you, but what the hell?
But I just did.
What the hell is gonna do today? Let's see what you got.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hold up.
What? What the? You, but what the hell is gonna do today? Let's see what you.
Gotta adjust this right.
But just kill you, but what the hell is gonna do today?
Oh, you can also turn this up.
What the hell is gonna do? Kill you, but what the hell is gonna do? Let's see what you got.
Yeah, you gotta actually get this right.
What the hell is the hell? It's been a boring day. We should just kill you, but what the hey,
So now it's too long.
what the kill you, but what the you, but what the
Yeah, this is actually, you gotta actually get this right. So I'll pause until I get it right. This is as close as I got.
we should just kill you, but what the hell? It's been a boring day. Let's see what you got.
There we go. So, you actually gotta download the censor beep sound. So to get that, you gotta just go to censor. Censor. Beep. And then search this one. I don't know why it's Spanish, but I'll put the link in the description of the video. So you just copy the video ID and then go to this website called YTMP3. If you see any of these like things, just don't click on them. So then you input your ID. I won't do it. Well, so then you gotta wait and then you gotta press download MP3 and then it's gonna download. If it takes you to another website, just close it out. I will leave both of these links in the description for you guys. So that's how you get the censor beep sound effects and censor things in Camstasia. Also, if you didn't really get that, just get the beep sound and then like input it to camstatia, like press the plus, import media, and then go to downloads and censor beep effect. So then you just put in this in the track too. So this is the whole cutscene.
Well, what do we got here? We should just kill you, but what the hell? It's been a boring day. Let's see what you got.
I might be able to adjust it a little bit more.
We should just kill you, but what the hell? It's been a boring day.
Well, now
Let's
I messed
see
it
what
up,
you
but
got.
once you guys get that right, you can like just play around with it and censor all this stuff that's in the week 7 of Friday Night Funkin'. So yeah, that's how you get it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, guys, also, by the way, tomorrow we are going to do a stream watching not be prepared, but we're going to watch a video. Not a video. We're going to watch the Lion King movie on a stream. As you guys saw from this recent community post, it says, be prepared to watch The Lion King 2019 on Friday with me. Also, listen to Be Prepared 2019, credits to The Lion King and the people who created the song and The Lion King. And then you've got the ID of the video. Well, you just gotta press on this one. Just gotta press on this. Since this doesn't work for some reason, just press this right here. And then I just put this here because this is copyrighted, but they say I don't have to like delete it. So I just put this there just so YouTube doesn't ban me. If you guys are watching this, please don't ban me. I just put that there for my install. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys are excited to watch The Lion King 2019 with me tomorrow after I finish school. We might watch it at like 6 o'clock or either 6 or 7. We're either going to watch it at 6 or 7. So I hope you guys are hyped for that. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!